Heart Von Rosario. Thank you so much. Ikaw bahala. Pwede 3 set, pwede 4 set, pwede 100 sets. Basta bugbugin mo yung katawan mo. Thank you for the GG. G. Thank you for the GG. G. Ano training mo sa back? Pull-ups. Thank you for the fire. Refos Sir. Thank you so much for the fire. Thank you for following Alaway. Thank you sa GG, Mark. Oh. Oh. Yes, worth it yung doorway pull-up. Doorway pull-up bar. Magiging worth it yung investment mo sa equipment kapag gagamitin mo yung equipment for a long period of time. Dapat consistent. Worth it yung doorway pull-up bar kapag consistent ka sa workout mo. Bucky but made in Philippines. Walang bagyo dito, walang ulan. Maiko, thank you sa pag-follow. Kaylee Yulala, thank you sa pag-follow. Tagasan kaya? Mindanao, Misamis Oriental, Cagayan de Oro. Hello, princess. Uy, fire. Thank you, Chow. Thank you for the fire, Chow. Two years. 2 years na po ako nagbubuhat. Naka-live ako kagabi. Maybe. Congrats sa iyo if malaki yung progress mo sa 6 months. Good job, bro. Good job. Yes, good job sa iyo. Congrats, bro. Congrats, bro. Good job. 6 months. Kendra, thank you for following. Thank you for sharing the live, Kendra. Shout out kay Romeo Taghap. A Health Heather from Heaven. Thank you for the heart me. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for following Ira Barriuso. Shish, thank you for following. Bumili ka ba ng dumbbell ya? Sa dito lang sa mall, sa amin. Home workout lang